Hi, and welcome to Victoria College. My name is Lisa Hepner, and I graduated from the class of 93. I studied English and history, and I then joined the Strand newspaper, which led me to write for the Varsity, which many years later led me to become a documentary filmmaker in LA. If there was any advice that I could give to you guys, it would be to take advantage of all the extracurriculars that Victoria College offers. From studying abroad in your third year to joining the debate club, joining student government, writing for the Strand newspaper, you name it. The world is your oyster, and Victoria offers so much. I think it's really essential that you go to class, obviously, and study, but it might not lead you to find your passion. So my words of advice are, don't forget to look up and get involved. Best of luck.